Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your default keyboard language in Windows. First, let's open your Windows settings. You can do this by right-clicking the Start button, usually found at the bottom left of your screen, and then selecting settings from the menu that appears. Once the settings window is open, look for Time and Language on the left-hand side and click on it. Then, on the right-hand pane, choose Language and Region to proceed. Now that you're in the Language and Region settings, you'll see a section called Preferred Languages. To add a new keyboard language, simply click on the Add a Language button. A list of available languages will pop up. You can scroll or use the search bar to find the one you need. After selecting your language, click Next, and then Install to download and add the necessary language pack to your system. To set your newly added language as the default, search for Advanced Keyboard Settings in the Windows search bar and open it. Here, you'll find an option called Override for Default Input Method. Click the drop-down menu and select your desired language to make it the primary keyboard layout. If you wish to remove any old or unused languages, return to Language and Region, click the three dots next to the language, and choose Remove. For quick switching between your installed keyboard languages, there are a couple of easy methods. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the spacebar simultaneously. This will cycle through your available languages. Another convenient option is to click the language abbreviation, like ENG for English, located on the right side of your taskbar. A small menu will appear, allowing you to select your preferred keyboard layout with a single click.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.